Okay, so the next step is to learn the minor 251. So we've already looked at the major 251. There is also a minor 251 in jazz, and it's the same idea. We're just going to build the 3 chords from the minor scale. In fact, we're going to build them from C harmonic minor scale. So we find the second, the 2 chords going to be D half diminished. We're going to go up to the 5 chord. Again, we're going to have the same G dominant 7 chord. And then the 1 chord is going to be a minor chord with a major 7th. So this is the original minor 251. However, normally we change the 1 chord and make it a minor 7 chord, and that's just because we want a more casual sound. Sometimes it's a bit intense to end with this minor chord with a major 7th. So most of the time in jazz, composers will just do a casual minor 7 chord. Like this. So the next step is to learn the minor 251 through all 12 keys. Now again, we can use the same 12 key pattern. So your challenge is to play the minor 251 note perfectly through all 12 keys and to do it 3 times in a row. Once you can do that, you have truly mastered the minor 251 and you're ready to move on.